Most candidates fail the SAP Certified Solution Transformation Consultant with SAP Cloud ALM exam for one reason. They study definitions, but the exam tests whether they can make the right consulting decisions in real project scenarios. In this video, you'll solve the same types of challenges that appear on the exam. You'll analyze SAP Cloud ALM implementation scenarios, evaluate your options, and learn how to choose the best solution under exam conditions. This certification focuses on transformation planning, process management, testing, deployment governance, and SAP Cloud ALM implementation. Success depends on applying your knowledge, not just remembering facts. Let's start with a scenario similar to what you'll face on the actual exam. Scenario 1. Advanced level situation. A global manufacturer is running an SAP S/4HANA transformation. Executive leadership has announced a fixed go-live date to investors. During project planning, you discover that 40% of business processes have not been formally approved. AI Examiner. Question: as the solution transformation consultant, what recommendation would you provide and why? Candidate answer: I would recommend completing process validation and governance checkpoints before progressing to downstream activities. A fixed go-live date should not override the need for approved business processes because testing, training, and deployment all depend on them. AI Cross. Question: the CIO argues that missing process approvals can be addressed later and asks you to continue. How do you respond? Candidate answer: I would explain that unresolved process definitions create downstream risks including requirement gaps, failed testing cycles, scope changes, and deployment instability. I would present quantified project risks and propose a prioritized approval approach rather than bypassing governance. Exam. Tip: prioritize governance and approved processes before testing or deployment. The AI examiner wants risk-aware decisions, not rushed actions. Scenario 2. Traceability and audit challenge. Situation: a customer has completed 6 months of requirements workshops. During a steering committee review, executives ask which requirements are covered by testing and which remain unvalidated. AI examiner. Question: how would SAP Cloud ALM help you answer this question? Candidate answer: I would use traceability links between requirements, business processes, and test cases to demonstrate coverage and identify gaps. AI Cross. Question: the customer says maintaining traceability requires additional effort and wants to remove the requirement. Would you support that decision? Candidate answer: no. Traceability is critical for governance, compliance, audit readiness, risk management, and deployment quality. The short-term effort is significantly lower than the cost of unidentified gaps during go-live. Exam. Tip: think end-to-end traceability. Process, then requirement, then test case. Always connect activities to business impact. If you're finding these SAP hands-on practice scenarios useful, you can practice more SAP exam simulation tasks and mock exams at certshero.com. Scenario 3. Testing governance conflict situation. Testing is 85% complete. The project manager proposes closing several failed test cases because the issues affect only a small user group. AI examiner. Question: what would you do? Candidate answer: I would assess business impact rather than simply considering the number of affected users. Critical processes affecting compliance, finance, or customer operations require resolution regardless of user count. AI Cross. Question: if fixing the defects delays go-live by 3 weeks, what factors should influence your recommendation? Candidate answer: I would evaluate business risk, regulatory impact, operational disruption, financial exposure, stakeholder priorities, and available mitigation plans before recommending either deployment or delay. Exam tip: evaluate defects by business risk, not by the number of affected users. Focus on critical processes and compliance impact. Scenario 4. Executive escalation situation. Two executive sponsors disagree. One wants immediate deployment, the other demands another testing cycle due to unresolved defects. AI examiner. Question: how would you facilitate this decision? Candidate. Answer: I would present objective Cloud ALM metrics, including defect severity, testing completion rates, process readiness, and business risk indicators to support a data-driven decision. AI cross question: what if both executives reject your recommendation? Candidate answer: I would document the risks, escalation outcomes, mitigation strategies, and final decision ownership to ensure governance, transparency, and accountability. Exam. Tip: use data and risk indicators, not opinions. Base recommendations on testing results, defect severity, and business readiness. Scenario 5. Transformation Value Realization Situation. 6 months after go-live, executives question whether the transformation has delivered measurable business value. AI examiner. Question: how would you use SAP Cloud ALM to evaluate success? Candidate answer: I would analyze operational KPIs, process performance metrics, incident trends, adoption indicators, and business outcomes against the original transformation objectives. AI cross. Question: the metrics show technical stability, but business stakeholders remain dissatisfied. How would you investigate? Candidate answer: I would assess user adoption, process efficiency, training effectiveness, unmet business requirements, and stakeholder expectations to identify gaps between technical success and business value realization. Exam. Tip: don't focus only on technical metrics. Measure business outcomes, user adoption, and process improvements. Today, you completed 5 real SAP Cloud ALM scenarios: transformation setup, requirements traceability, test management, deployment readiness, and executive reporting. These are the same types of tasks you'll encounter in SAP's new performance-based certification exams. If you found this helpful, continue with our SAP certification playlist for more hands-on practice and advanced scenarios. And when you're ready to test yourself under exam conditions, explore full SAP exam simulations, mock tests, and flashcards at certshero.com. Remember, don't just study SAP, perform SAP. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.